Ever get that feeling your gear is designed to fail? This tiny part is my proof. It didn't just break. It shattered in 4 different places, and when you look closely, you can see exactly why. The walls are paper thin right where the material stress is highest. I tried super glue, of course, but that just made things worse. The part couldn't even rotate freely anymore. That's when I'd had enough. In this video, I'm going to show you how I reverse engineered this piece of planned obsolescence, reinforced its critical weak points, and 3D printed a replacement that's built to last. In links below, you can find all necessary models to fix your headphones. Print orientation is relevant for surface finish and for correct match with modular parts. First, you will have to disassemble your headphones to get inside. You can do that by watching last part of video from the end. I'll start assembly with more difficult side containing battery. My 3D printing settings are provided in description. For excellent finish, I used black matte PLA with 0.01 layer height. After 3D printing parts, make sure they are clean from supports and artifacts. If necessary, trim with exacto knife small part shown on photo until it fits correctly. For assembly, you will need 2 M2 by 12mm screws and 2 hex nuts per side, and 3D printed files from links below. You will also need PH1 and 0 screwdrivers. While disassembling, you will have to gently free cable from plastic by removing it with clippers. Be careful to not cut wire. As you can see, I have already assembled one side, and it fits perfectly. It moves without friction on sides, with minimum tolerances. You can adjust gap between parts to have more or less friction while rotating. Feel free to speed up video. You can always come back if you missed part. The 3D printed model should look exactly like this. Make sure that tiny modular part fits perfectly. Be careful to not apply pressure on round piece. Plastic parts shown have 2 different groove sizes. One is 1mm and the other one is 1.5mm. Make sure that you align 1.5mm groove to steel notch. Gently tighten screw on one side. If you want, you can use heated inserts instead of nuts. Make sure to not drop hex nut like I did. Gloves don't make it any easier. Tighten until friction satisfies you. Don't force rotation above 180 degrees since steel notch will dig into plastic. Gently push cable behind plastic notch. You can use dull tool to help it. When it's fully inside, it will have some freedom of movement. There are 3 tiny notches along cable groove which secures cable inside. Make sure to align cable so factory bend is in same place as originally. You can gently push cable back. There is some extra space behind plastic notch. You can see that factory cable bend is now correctly aligned and in place. Good job! Don't forget to slide purple o-ring on cable. If you are not planning to take it apart again, you can add 1 drop of superglue before inserting small part. It will be much easier if you lay your headphones on table. Do not press on round part like me. You might break it since it's only 2 layers high. Gently roll on o-ring. Make sure that it sits nicely in groove. Tiny part likes to escape what you will witness now. Don't forget about second o-ring. Make sure that your screw hole is correctly aligned before threading it on cable. Gently push cable trough the hole and connect hinge pieces together. Be gentle with O-ring. Now you will see me struggling, since I decided to not glue small part and it will want to detach. It's not easy to do it mid-air. Third hand would be helpful. Push cable under seal. Help yourself with dull tool. Try to not break PCB. Tiny part tries to escape. After we assemble headphones, it has nowhere to go, so it won't detach. To struggle less, you can unglue seal halfway to push plastic hinge in. Now the fun part. Align both sides. Put non-modular side in. To make O-ring fit inside, you need to have around 90-degree angle of 3D printed part to headphones. Then gently with dull tool fit the side with cable. You can lift rubber seal higher to not struggle like me. Remember, there is no rush. Plastic piece will slide in from top if sighted correctly. Make sure that O-rings are inside holes and that tiny part is seated. Now you can glue rubber seal back on place. Insert and tighten screw under PCB to secure hinge. Screwdriver bit is pH 0. Secure hinge on second side. Screw in rest of the PCB. Slide in ribbon cable. Make 180-degree loop and slide cable behind plastic notch with dull tool. Connect the cable. Lastly, you can connect battery. Be extremely cautious to not damage any SMD components on PCB. Preferably use plastic tool or fingers. Reapply factory tape. Now we will connect touchpad. Be careful to not damage fragile ribbon cable. Now we can close and screw everything together. Align foam pad correctly. Align asymmetrical clips as shown. Press on foam until all clips are in place. You will hear clicks. For those watching from the end, you need to gently lift clips with plastic tool or dull butter knife. Be careful to not break them. Adjust tension to your liking. If you have, you can use Loctite on nuts to make them secure. And that's how you bring second life to your xm5 1000 and fight planned obsolescence. As you can see, they turn on and work. Thank you for watching, and I hope your headphones will work another 2 years. Goodbye.